Hello, welcome to Year 6 Maths. We're going to be looking at word problems today, and this is lesson 2, video 2 of the word problems playlist, the word problems series. So we're going to be looking at word problems. You've got your 4 operations. You've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divide. Now, I'm going to read each problem. The LO is to solve word problems, and that is on Google Classroom. So this first one is number 1. A farmer has 3,689 eggs. He packages them into boxes of 6. How many full boxes is that? Press pause while you think about the operation and then have a go at carrying it out. Okay, welcome back. So the number we're looking at, the farmer, he has 3,689 eggs. And we want to know how many times can we get 6 eggs out of that number? Because every 6, he fills a box. So this is a division problem. We're finding out how many times 6 fits into 3,689. So 6 goes into 3, it doesn't. So we carry the 3 across. 6 goes into 36 6 times. 6 goes into 8, and there's no remainder, by the way. 6 goes into 8 once, and then there is a remainder of 2, because 8 take away 6 is 2. And 6 goes into 29 4 times, because 6 times 4 is 24. And then that means there's a remainder of 5. So the farmer, he can make 614 full boxes. He has 5 eggs left over. He's not going to put those in a box. I assume he's selling those boxes, and no one wants to buy a box of 6 eggs that only has 5 eggs in it. So he has full boxes, 614. Question 2. The Airbus. The Airbus is a type of plane. You can Google that. The Airbus carries 293 passengers. How many people could fit onto 69 of them? 69 Airbus planes, and each one has 293 passengers. Press pause while you think about how to do that. Okay, welcome back. So it's 293, and we're multiplying it by 69. Now, I can already see I haven't left myself enough space to add that at the bottom, so let's start that again. So 293, 69. So 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 2 is 83. 9 times 2 is 18. And 18 add 8 is 26. As always, to make sure I've not made a mistake, I'm going to retrace and I'm going to go over. 9 times 3, 27. 7, carry the 2. 9 times 9, 81. Plus 2, 83. 3, carry the 8. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 add 8 is 26. So I can cross out those, I cross out the 9, and I'm going to put a 0 here. Because really we're doing 60 times 3, but we say 6 because there's a 0. So 6 times 3 is 18. So the 8 here, the 1, that one's above the 9. Again, I've not left enough space. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 1 is 55. 5 there, carry that 5. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. So now we're going to add. 7 add 0 is 7. 8 add 3 is 11. Carry the 1. That make 5 add 1 is 6. 6 add 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 7 add 3 is 10. Carry the 1. So it's 20,217 passengers on 69 Airbus planes? Okay, question 3. Jenny has £35,478. She spends £14,216 on Monday and £705 on Tuesday. On Wednesday, she earns £874. How much money does she have now? So, we have got here some mixed operations that we need to do. So, first off, let's take a look and have a think about this first. Oh, well, press pause if you know how to do that, and then have a think about what you need to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is she spends these two amounts. So I'm going to add those two amounts together and I'm going to subtract them from her original amount. So I'm going to do over on this side 14,216 add 705. Okay, 5 add 6 is 11. 1 add 1 is 2. 7 add 2 is 9. Let's just double check. 5 add 6, 11. 1, carry the 1. 2, 9, 4, 1. Great. That's how much she spends altogether, 14,921. So, I'm going to now do 35,478 and I'm going to subtract £14,921. So, 8 take away 1 is 7. 7 take away 2 is 5. I can't do 4 take away 9, so I'll change that to a 4. 14 take away 9 is 5. 4 take away 4 is 0. And 3 take away 1 is 2. So she starts with 35,478. She spends 14,216 and £705. I added them together, so she's left with £20,557. However, she then earns, so she must have some kind of business to earn that much money. She earns £874. So we now need to add onto the 20,000. Going to have to write this quite small. In fact, let's use a different colour so that it stands out. So 20,557, 874. Right, 7 add 4 is 11. Carry the 1. 7 add 5 is 12. 13. Add the 1. 8 add 5 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. 1 add 0 is 1. So she now has £21,431. Here's question 4. 8 friends win £3,696 and they share it, there's a clue there, equally amongst themselves. How much money does each person receive? The clue is in the word share it equally and 8 friends. Press pause whilst you work that out. Okay, welcome back. So this is quite clearly, or I think quite clearly, a division. We're dividing, sharing equally, £3,696 between 8 people. 8 goes into 3, it doesn't. So we carry the 3. 8 goes into 36 4 times because 8 times 4 is 32. So that leaves a remainder from 36 take away 32. It leaves a remainder of 4. So how many times does 8 go into 49? Well, 6 times 8 is 48. So it goes in 6 times with the remainder of 1, and 8 goes into 16 2 times. That's nice and easy. So each friend gets £462. This is question 5. There are 32,456 people in a concert. 564 people leave, keyword, at 8 p.m. and then 6,982 at 9 p.m. So the concert starts with 32,456 people, and then 564 people leave, and then another 6,982 leave. How many are there left? Press pause while you think about this. Okay, so this is a subtraction, but we're subtracting two numbers. I'm going to do it the method where I add the two subtracting numbers and then subtract those from the first number. So 6,982 add 564. So if I add those together, 4 add 2 is 6. 8 add 4 is 14, carry the 1. 9 add 1 is 10 plus 5 is 15. Right, I'm going to double check my addition. 6, 14, 15, 7. Right, good. So that's how many people leave altogether. Some at 9, some at 8. How many people were there at the start of the concert? Well, there were 32,456 people. So these are going to leave. So when you leave, that's a subtraction. 7,546. Okay. 6 take away 6 is 0. 5 take away 4 is 1. You can't do 4 take away 5. 14 take away 5 is 9. 1 take away 7, so we'll put a 2 there, 11. 11 take away 7 is 4. So there are 24,910 people left in the concert. Now, number 6, this is quite a challenging one. So we'll read it. You can then decide if you are going to tackle it. A lot of you can, or if you're going to just watch me do it. So it says, find the answer to 23,478 take away 15,678 multiply by 37. Now double your answer. So I know a lot of you can have a really good go at that. Press pause if you're one of those people while you work it out. Welcome back, or you might still be with me. So the first thing is I need to do this subtraction. So I'm going to do 23,478 and I'm going to subtract 15,678. Oh, they both end in 78. Let's just check we've got our numbers right. Really important to do that. You can make such silly mistakes. Right. 8 subtract 8 is 0. 7 subtract 7 is 0. 4 subtract 6 I can't do, so I'm going next door. 14 subtract 6 is 8. 2 subtract 5 I can't do, so I'm going next door. 12 subtract 5 is 7, and 1 subtract 1 is 0. So the answer to that is 7,800. But now look, it says multiplied by 37. So I'm going to do 7,800 multiplied by 37. I'm pushed for space as usual. Have to write small. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 7 is 49. And 49 add 5 is 54. Just double check that. 49. Right, 54. Let's cross out the 7. Cross out the 5. Put a 0 here. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. Let's add them. 0, 0, 6, 8, 8, 2. So it is 288,600. Now it says double your answer. Double your answer means times by 2. So we need to take our number here and we need to double the answer. So we need to take 288,600 and we need to times it by 2. Look at that messy 0 up there. All right. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 577,200. If you have spotted a mistake or you don't understand something, let me know. Thank you for taking part in this lesson and I'll see you next time.